Alright. Okay, welcome back to Dirty Garage Mods. I am Daniel, the host of this channel. And first things first, I want to say thank you to all 812 subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you. I am also, I want to set my phone back down because I'm done with that. First things first I want to say is, for one, I know a lot of people comment on my channel about the Pontiac G6. Once again, I cannot stress it enough. I sold that Pontiac G6 a year ago April, so it's gone. There will be no more videos on it. That particular one anyhow. I've thought about buying another one, but I'm looking for a particular one, so I'm not going to say any more about that until I know for sure what I'm looking for. Also, the same deal still applies. I was talking about in previous videos months ago about doing a nightlight LED giveaway for light pods go in front of the vehicle. I actually don't have any right now. I got rid of my last set because they were just sitting around in the way. But however, I will be getting more. They are not sponsored. I'm paying out of pocket for them. But if I hit 1,000 subscribers, you guys will be the first ones to know how you can enter in for that. So, but anyways, on to the video. Today I am going to show you how to bypass your AC pump on your Chevy Colorado, first gen Chevy Colorado with a 3.7 liter 5-cylinder. So it's a straight 5-cylinder. So I'm going to show you guys that. I actually already did the work months ago, and I just want to make sure it's going to work out. But I wanted to do a quick video about it. So just to give you guys an update. So hang tight, and I will kind of show you guys what I did. Okay, so right down there is the belt. Okay, I don't know how well you're going to be able to see this, but down here is a little idler pulley. See if I can get the camera straightened up here. Down here's an idler pulley, and below that is the AC pump. So my AC started making noise, and it was actually causing my power steering pump to lock up and actually causing problems. Now, the power steering pump is clear over here, but I had to buy a new power steering pump, and I had to buy this belt. It took me 6 guesses of getting the belt to bypass it. So let me cut back here. So anyways, took me 6 guesses to get that belt right. Now, there is a diagram, a belt diagram, and if I can find it, I'm going to stick it somewhere up here, and I'm going to show, I'll put a line where the belt will actually bypass everything to show. So bear with me. Hopefully I can find that. If I can't find that, then you're just going to have to kind of figure it out, or maybe I can draw it out. But at the time of me doing this, I actually worked for a local auto parts store, and I wasn't allowed to mention that name. But however, I'm not mentioning the name now, but this is where I worked. Well, not Duralast, but the company that sells their parts. But anyways, that belt number is a 685K6, which is a drastically smaller belt compared to what the other one was. The other one was a 875K6, if I remember right. I actually got it here somewhere. Yeah, 875K6, it's up there. But anyways, yeah, so I went down to a 685K6. Now, the reason why I waited so long to make a video about this is I actually want to make sure it's going to work, make sure it didn't slip, make sure it didn't do anything. It's been probably 6 months. It was late fall, early winter when I did it, like really late fall, so it was getting cold. And I actually sat in the auto parts parking lot, and just because I worked there, I just go in there and grab a belt until I found the right size. And that's how I found this belt. So it's got about 1/4 inch deflection, which is what you want. and it seems to work fine. I mean, I don't have no problems out of it. I haven't lost no horsepower, nothing that. Of course, Colorados don't have much horse anyhow, especially mine. I haven't heard the belt slip, nothing. So, anyways, yeah. So, but anyways, been a while since I made a video, like I said. If you guys like this type of content, and believe me, there'll be more how-to videos plus modifications that's going to be happening to the Colorado. I think I said in previous video that few videos ago that I'm going to be lifting it, probably getting different wheels, different tires for it. I'm only going 3 inches higher. I don't want to go crazy high. I've been looking at doing a Dana 44 front axle swap. That might be in the works. I'm not sure, so don't quote me on that. But that would be really cool. Solid axle. It'd make it off-road wise a lot better. I've been researching that, but it's very expensive. But yeah, anyways, smash that like button, comment, subscribe, share my content. That really helps get my videos out there. So share it on your social medias. Check out my Facebook page for Dirty Garage Mods. Check out my Instagram. Also have a TikTok for Dirty Garage Mods now, so you guys can go and check that out as well. So I believe that's it. I'll do a video review on comments and stuff here in the very near future. I know some people like that stuff. I usually get a lot of feedback. I'll probably do that as a live video. So anyways, yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you guys like what you see, and I'll catch you in the next one.